We are happy to introduce you episode number 5 of 1 Minute Dental series. This 1 Minute Dental series is dedicated to one of the most common mistakes of finish line preparation, that is called U-margin. The reason why it happens is when we use full depth of burr tip inside two structures, especially if your burr has rounded tip. In this case, when you will reduce tooth surface in the very cervical area, you will get your U-margin because diameter of the burr is driven fully inside two structures. I made this mistake specifically for you, and now let us change position of patient's head, that you'll be able to see more clear how this U-margin looks like. You can see that the very end of finish line now goes up, which is U-margin. And now we will be discussing tips how to avoid and how to actually improve this finish line. How to avoid this finish line we were discussing in the previous dental series. Now I will show you how to improve this mistake. To improve this mistake, we have to utilize thicker burr. And when you have this thicker burr, you have to place this burr exactly to the very end of finish line, and within few movements you will make this U-margin down and you will get your chamfer preparation. So thicker burr to the very end of U-margin, moving this U-margin down will give you smooth chamfer again. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and switch on notifications using this bell. There is a lot of new information coming.